Hello from sunny Florida. House and spouse is relocating for about 48 hours. We are in the Mexico Beach area. Actually, we're in Panama City Beach right now. Pat's mom has had a condominium that she has rented for, what, like 15 years now in Mexico Beach, Florida. So plugging that, it is available for rent, short-term rentals, and then long-term rentals in the winter. But for a quick 48 hours, we are here in the area to get it ready for the rental season. So you get to come along with us as we head into places like Target, which I know Pat is excited about.
Yeah, love me some Target.
Even better than that, Home Goods. Do you love Home Goods? I love Home Goods.
Yay.
In an effort to keep the day moving, we have stopped at Walmart to get breakfast. It's croissants in a box. What do we feel about that? We're just trying to keep things moving. We have limited amount of time to get this stuff done.
I don't eat bread, so that much flour is not going to keep me moving. I'm going to go to sleep in the car.
I think you'll be okay.
No, I know myself.
We are stopping at McDonald's because my croissants have been nicked in the bud.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 2 carts started. We have pillows and lampshades, and Pat has what?
Take note, every retailer in the world. This has a cup holder and a phone holder. This is the greatest cart ever. I kind of don't mind being here right now.
Do you think we need these? Silk eye masks for when you sleep at night?
Yeah. That traumatizes me a bit.
What, the potato peeler does?
Yeah.
Why is that?
So when I was 4, my sister, who should be watching this, was like swinging this at it like she's gonna stab me.
Oh.
Being a 4-year-old, I put my hands up and she cut me. I still have a scar. And she, I was bleeding pretty bad. And she swore me not to tell Mom, which I didn't until Mom was 90 years old. But I still bring this up, especially at special occasions where we have potato peelers. She's holding it.
It's a dangerous tool.
It's a dangerous tool.
I am really pleased with that Target trip. It was really good. Like, I think we got a lot of bang for our buck there. We're headed to Home Goods. How excited are you for another home decor store, Pat?
I am so pumped. The challenge.
Pat loves this, doesn't he? We're at our 3rd store. We are making tracks. It is
exhausted, man. I'm exhausted.
I need you to buck up, little camper. And like,
Tell you what little camper needs is something to freaking eat. I'm going off a bowl of oatmeal at like 7 a.m.
We don't have time.
We
Hey.
walked 300 miles, lifted 40 bales of cotton, and now we're back in another store.
we don't have time to eat. We don't have time to eat.
You have to make do, Harley.
Wait, hold on, what? Did you just say we've reached critical mass?
Critical mass.
I think if Kate was along, we would have this efficiently packed right now.
Well, you got too much. You got too much crap in here that can get damaged. It's a problem. So,
What are your thoughts on it?
I don't know. I mean, if it makes you guys feel better, I've seen more.
Okay, that makes me feel a lot better. This is good. Folks, I'm at Dollar General at the beach. I got some dishwasher tabs and some garbage bags and a fun little beach chair for me to sit in the surf later today, because that's what I love to do. How much do you think I paid for this chair?
$7,000.
Close. $55 for this chair. I was like,
but you know what?
what? And the
Hey,
guy was
lady.
like,
Hey.
remember, you're at the beach.
Hey,
and I
do
went,
you want to sit in a chair today? Well, today, that's $55. What are we doing here?
yes, folks, it is 10 p.m. Saturday night, Memorial Day weekend, and I am changing light bulbs in the ceiling fan.
I got whiskey.
What's wrong with this picture?
Nothing.
And with that, it is midnight and I am complete with my jobs on my to-do list. I'm excited about that because I'll get about 2-hour vacation tomorrow morning. Take what you can get. while Sleeping Beauty in the other room is got a lot to do on his to-do list yet before we leave tomorrow afternoon. So we'll see. So we were here for how many hours? 48 hours? Everything's done though, right? For the most part.
So, yeah. Yes, but it's never really done.
But it's ready to rent. So
They already rented, already got a week in June already rented.
yeah, we are ready to go. Hit us up if you're looking for a place to stay this summer.